So if you don't mind my saying, I can see you're out of aces for a taste of whiskey. I'll give you some advice. So I am my